You are not losing strength because you are getting older. You are losing strength because no one ever showed you how to train for the man you have become. Let me tell you something that might stink a little bit. You are not struggling to build muscles because you are lazy. You are not weak. You are not broken. You are struggling because you've been following the advice that was never meant for you. You're a man in your 40s, 50s, maybe in your 60s, and you're trying to train like your 25-year-old influencer who doesn't even know what joint pain feels like. That's why your body is not responding. It's rebelling. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you will understand exactly why your workouts aren't working and how to fix it so you can start building real visible muscle again without destroying your joints or destroying your hormones. And in a few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly the reason your muscles stop responding after 40. Most men never get to figure this out, so don't skip ahead. Now, why are you stuck? Here's the truth. Your body after 40 is playing by a different set of rules. Your testosterone isn't what it used to be. Your recovery time is longer, and your biggest killer, inflammation, it's been silently building for years from bad food, from stress, and from lack of proper sleep. And believe me, you can't outtrain that. You can't build muscle if your body is constantly fighting to just survive. But here's what happens. Most men think I just need to lift heavier. I just need to train harder. And that's the biggest mistake. You don't need to train harder, brother. You need to train smarter for your age. The problem isn't effort, it's strategy. In a second, I'll show you exactly what happens inside your body when you hit 40. Why same workouts that used to work suddenly stop. But first, let me address something that nobody talks about. Most of what you see online, the fitness influencers, the programs, the meal plans, they are built for young guys who recover like machines. You follow that same advice in your 40s, and what happens? You burn out, you feel stiff, you feel tired, your joints pain, your energy drops. Then you start thinking, maybe I'm just getting old. No, it's not your age. It's bad advice. You've been told that building muscle is just about calorie surplus and lifting heavy, but that's only half of the picture. For men over 40, your hormones, your sleep, and your recovery determines whether your body even uses that food to build muscle or it stores it as fat. And in a minute, I'll give you the exact three-step methods that men in my Strong After 40 program use to double their muscle growth, even if they've been stuck for years. But before that, I want you to hear this because this one shift changes everything. When you're over 40, muscle building isn't about chasing fatigue, it's about chasing recovery. Let me say it again. The man who recovers best builds the most muscle. And most guys ignore this. They grind themselves into the ground, thinking soreness means progress. But soreness just means your body is inflamed, not that you are growing. That's the difference. Listen, bro, I get it. You've spent years putting everyone else first. Your family, your job, your responsibilities. And now you're realizing that your body is paying the price. You don't feel strong anymore. You wake up stiff. You're tired halfway through the day. And you look in the mirror wondering, what happened to me? See, I've worked with hundreds of men who felt the same way. And every one of them had the same moment when they realized that what got them here won't get them where they want to go to. So if you're a man over 40 and you want to finally drop that belly fat, to get your strength back and to feel like yourself again, without the body pain, without the joint pain, without your knees cracking, that's exactly why I built the Strong After 40 method. If you want me to help you put this into your own life, comment fit below and I'll get in touch with you. And together, we'll map out your Strong After 40 game plan. And within 90 days, you'll be amazed by the results you'll get. Now let's talk about what's actually going on in your body after 40. When testosterone drops, muscle recovery slows down. When estrogen dominance creeps in, fat storage increases. When your cortisol stays high from stress, your body shuts down muscle building altogether. So the solution isn't just more protein or heavier weight. It's rebalancing your hormones, training smarter, and fueling for recovery. That's exactly what I teach my clients in my Strong After 40. Lift heavy, But smart. Do shorter focus workouts, compound lift, proper form. Recover like it's your job. Sleep, nutrition, mobility. These are your new performance enhancers. Fix your hormones naturally. Better food, less alcohol, proper training intensity. Listen, this is how you start changing the game. And if this is making sense to you so far, and you're starting to see why what you've been doing isn't working, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications. Because almost every day I post videos for men over 40 on how to rebuild their body, how to rebuild their strength, how to reclaim their confidence. It's your home. Feel comfortable. Smash the subscribe button. Don't just watch. Be part of this community of men taking their power back. Now let's hit the last piece. The mistakes that are holding you back. Mistake number one, you train too often, not too little. Your muscles never get time to rebuild. Mistake number two, you're eating like a young man. Too many carbs, not enough protein. Mistake number three, you skip sleep and expect energy just from coffee. Fix these three things and your muscle growth will explode. You can quote me anywhere. I've seen guys in their late 40s gain lean muscle in 8 weeks, naturally, just by doing things right. And before we even know if your body is primed to store fat or to burn it, you have to know your testosterone levels. That's why I made a free T-score test. The link is on the description of this video. Take the test. It's less than 1 minute and you'll know exactly where you stand in terms of your testosterone. No matter what the result is, I'll give you a free game plan. Make good use of it. When you fix that, you have already done 30% of the work. Now I want you to know this. Your body is not fighting you. It's fighting to protect you. It needs a smarter plan. Start training for the man you are right now, not the man you used to be. You've gone past that stage. And once you do, your body will reward you with strength, with energy, with confidence that you haven't even felt for years. Listen, bro, you've got just one body, one shot to make this chapter your strongest. Don't waste another year doing what doesn't work. Comment fit and we'll talk. We'll set out a game plan for you. And in 90 days, you'll be a different man. You'll thank yourself for it. Share with your brother who needs to watch this. See you in the next one. Copy that.